Hello friends, good morning. Hello friends, how are you? Good morning. कैसे हैं आप सब? I hope you all are good. Today I have posted everyday videos. I hope you like it. If you like it, please like and share, subscribe every day, which is I'm telling you about this. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. I need it. Okay. Now, today our topic is about wood. Okay, what do you mean by the wood? Wood, today we will learn a few of the things about a few of the facts about the wood. I hope you like it, my video. If you like my video, please try to be like, share, and subscribe. Okay, yes. Wood. Can you tell me what do you mean by wood? Anybody? Wood is a kind of word like a wood, and that's not negative form. If we are talking about, that's wouldn't. Okay, would and wouldn't. Okay, let's talk about would and wouldn't is a kind of action or situation which we imagine. Okay, would and wouldn't is we imagine a situation or action which is not real. Okay, which is not real. For we use would, for example, that situation or action which is imagine, we imagine. मैंने क्या बोला? Situation और action, यानी कि situation और action, okay, we imagine which is not real, which is not real. Got it my point? यानी कि कोई situation हम इमेजिन करते हैं, है ना? सिचुएशन और समथिंग सम एक्शन विच इज वी इमेजिन एंड इट्स नॉट रियल, वी यूज वुड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I would it would be a nice if I have a car, if I have a Lamborghini. It would be a nice if I have a iPhone 15. तो ये क्या है? It's my imagination. Okay, it's my imagination. That is, but आगे का word, but I can't afford it. Okay, यानी कि मैं afford नहीं कर सकती. It would be nice if I have iPhone 15, but I can't afford it. I can't afford it. So this is this. ये तो हो गया imagine which is not real. ओके, ये मैंने इमेजिन किया है कि मेरे पास आईफोन 15 होता, बट आई कांट अफोर्ड इट. एक होता है सिचुएशन. वन इज सिचुएशन और एक्शन. आई वुडंट इन द सिचुएशन, इफ आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई वुडंट say anything about my accident, about my Ria. Okay, I wouldn't say anything about my accident to Ria. Why? This is, मैंने उसको रिया को नहीं बताया मेरे एक्सीडेंट के बारे में. ये क्या है? सिचुएशन. I wouldn't say anything about my accident to Ria. Before that, I have given the example. That example is showing I would have an iPhone 15, but I can't afford it. Okay. So these are the I wish I could leave. I wish I would leave by the sea. ये भी हो सकता है एक example. So these are the would मतलब situation or action which is we imagine but it's not real. Okay. Yes, we use would have done. I have told you, like would do, and would do it's for present, but here we are using would have done for the past. Okay, when we imagine situation in the past, okay, I have told you about the would do, which is we imagine the situation in present. Okay, but here we are imagine the situation or action something which is didn't happen, which is did happen, but we are imagining something. Okay, I didn't tell Sam what happened, he wouldn't have been pleased. Okay, I didn't tell. This is about the past. I didn't tell Sam. I didn't tell Sam what happened. He wouldn't have been pleased. Okay, this is a situation which is I didn't tell about Sam because he wouldn't have been pleased. Okay, this is a situation which is didn't happen. यानी कि past में कोई things that which I imagine it didn't happen. So this is about it. Okay, would have done, which is in the past. The things is situation or action didn't happen. We use would have done. For the present, we use would. Okay, if I am imagining something or some situation or action which is not happened. Okay, we use would in sentence with if. Okay, if is also used along with the would. Okay, now yeah, I would call Ria if I had her number. I would call Ria if if I had her number. Okay. Here I would call Ria if I had her number. मैं उसको कॉल करती अगर उसका नंबर होता तो. Okay, would call Ria if I had her number. Got it my point? Here it's would, it's imagine. Okay, वो अपने जो situation हुई नहीं है, that situation didn't happen, the situation has not happened. Okay, I would call Ria if I had her number. If I had her number, मैं उसको कॉल करती अगर उसका नंबर होता तो. In the same thing, I would use I would have called Ria if I had her. Here it is about the past situation. Here it's about the present situation. Okay. When you are talking about the past, would have. When you are talking about the present, I would. Okay. If I have her number, if I had her number, अगर उसका नंबर होता तो मैं उसको definitely call करती. Yeah, compare will and would. Okay, we also use would is like if we are talking about the past, so will's past form is sometime we instead of will we use would. Okay, so here it's a will and the comparison between of will and would. It's all Andy. I'll call you Ria. I'll call you. It's about difference between the will and would. Okay. I'll call Ria. I have her. If here it was we have used if. I'll call Ria. I have her number. मेरे पास रिया का नंबर है. वहां पे जो previous example if का use किया था मैंने तो what was that? I would call Ria if I had her number. That is a use of if. But here I'm talking about the future tense. Okay. But in present I'm talking about that. I'll call Ria. I have her number. मेरे पास उसका number है मैं उसे call करूंगी. Okay. I would call Ria but I don't have her number. The situation is a different over here. It's imagination and it's a imagination and it's a situation. It's a different. I would call Ria. Definitely I would call Ria but I don't have her number. I'll call Ria. I have her number. It's a positive. I have her number. I will call her. Okay. I would call Ria definitely, but I don't have her number. Got it my point? So here it's a comparison between will and would. Let's see. Sometime would or wouldn't is the past of will or want. Okay. Sometime like a would or wouldn't का जो ये will का जो past form है वो क्या है? Would and wouldn't. Okay. What is that negative form of will? Want. Okay, these days we are using want. Okay, want. So would or wouldn't is a past form of will. Let's example. I promise I won't be late. Ria promised that she wouldn't be late. Okay, I promise I won't be late. This is about that will. I promise I won't be late. Ria promised that she wouldn't late. Okay, so will's past form is would. Okay, अगर will not है तो क्या आएगा? Wouldn't. Okay, so here is I promise I won't be late. These days we are not using like a will not, I will not. Okay, so in a short form we are using I won't be late, but Ria promised that she wouldn't be late. Okay, this is the comparison between that past and the would is a past form of would is a past form of will. Okay, now you can also use would to talk about the things that happened regularly in the past. Okay, I have taught you about in my previous video. If you're talking about that the things which is regularly happen in the past, so which word you are using? Used to. Which word you are using? Used to. So here you are using, you can also use would to talk about the things which regularly happened in the past. It means this is a similar about the used to. Okay, हम कोई चीज पास्ट में कंटिन्यूअसली होती रहती है, रेगुलरली होती रहती है, तो हम किसका यूज करते हैं? वी आर यूजिंग यूज्ड. ओके, यूज्ड टू. What we are used to. Okay, but here if the continuously something happening in the past, okay, what we use would. It is considered as similar as used to. Whenever Ravi was angry he walked out of the room. Okay, इसके साथ हम यू भी कह सकते हैं कि whenever Ravi was angry he used to walk out of the room. Correct my point? Whenever Ravi was angry he would walk out of the room. Okay, now today our word used has over. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please try to be like, share and subscribe and give your review where I need to be improvement or more. Okay, thank you so much.